To beat your competition, you're going to have to keep track of both high-level market trends and benchmarks, while also understanding which specific tactics your competitors are deploying and which of those are working. How do you do it all? With Similarweb Digital Marketing Intelligence, that's how. Let me show you. We'll pretend we're on the digital marketing team at HubSpot and that we're focused on beating Salesforce at the moment. Let's start in the paid search overview so we can get a baseline understanding of how much Salesforce is spending and the results of said spend. Looks like Salesforce's spend has been declining since August of 2022, but during that same time, traffic hasn't shown as dramatic of a decline. The paid search overview tool is great for one-off paid insights, but what if you want to monitor the results of your campaigns on an ongoing basis? For this, we'll use dashboards. These are great for giving you quick access to the metrics and insights that are most useful to you. Here I can select from pre-built layouts or build a custom dashboard. Let's pick paid search performance, add the URLs, pick a country filter, and click create. We'll now be able to monitor any big changes in traffic and get ahead of things before it's too late. I'll be able to keep tabs on aggregate traffic, bounce rate, visit duration, keywords, and more. I can even subscribe to any of my dashboards to get notified when there's fresh data. Now, dashboards excel at tracking high-level metrics, but you'll also want to set up competitive trackers in order to keep tabs on specific competitor tactics and to optimize your own campaigns over time. I'll just enter my URL, pick my country of interest, pick my competitors. In this case, I'll just add Salesforce, but you can actually add up to 25 competitors. Then I'll just give my competitive tracker a name. Click done and those competitive insights start generating. No matter what type of campaigns I'm running, I can get useful insights for any channel. Let's try referrals as a quick example. Looks like our referral traffic and Salesforce's were both down last month, with Salesforce only down 6.6% compared to our 13%. And Salesforce started receiving traffic from 10 new sources, which we can quickly investigate with just one click. And to keep on top of it all, similar to dashboards, we can subscribe to get regular email updates about our competitive trackers. To wrap it all up, with Similarweb Digital Marketing Intelligence on your side, you'll always stay one step ahead of both market trends and competitor tactics, meaning you'll make smarter, faster decisions about your campaigns that will make them way more effective. If you haven't seen our video yet on campaign planning, you'll definitely want to check that out too. Want to see the value Similarweb Digital Marketing Intelligence can bring to your campaigns? Try it out for free. Check out the link in the description.